Today, the Federal Open Market Committee decided to maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 1/4 to 1/2%.
Tonight, 800,000 federal workers and more than 1 million contractors are waiting to see if they'll be furloughed if Congress can't reach a deal to fund the government past Thursday night. And CBS's Nicole Killian reports an even bigger fiasco could be just weeks away.
Our top focus at this hour, the Omicron variant of COVID-19 is slowing down the global economy.
Omicron, as such, we estimate will have a negative impact in the first quarter of this year.
Prices for just about everything are rising fast. In October 2021, inflation took its biggest jump in more than 30 years.
The government sent out more than 150 million stimulus checks, and the Fed made plans to lend billions of dollars across market.
The Federal Reserve continues to increase rates and inflation soars to new highs. There's no question it's affecting U.S. companies.
The U.S. Federal Reserve has taken its most aggressive step yet in its battle to control soaring inflation. In a unanimous decision, the Fed's policymaking body raised interest rates by 0.5%, its biggest rate hike in 22 years.
The U.S. Central Bank has announced its biggest interest rate hike in nearly 30 years.
This is very high inflation, and it's hurting everybody.
Fed Chair Jay Powell did sound a hawkish note during his testimony earlier today. He was talking about monetary policy before the Senate Banking Committee. We'll hear more tomorrow. He vowed to bring inflation down and said the Fed has the tools to do it.
The big challenge is raising interest rates enough, tightening policy enough to corral inflation without tipping the economy into a recession. Easier said than done.
This is a story we've been focusing on the show. In America, the first domino has fallen. It is the stock market. U.S. stocks have officially entered bear market. If the U.S. economy enters recession, the world enters recession. It happened in the 1930s. It happened in 2008. The question is, will it happen in 2022? Everyone is wondering the same thing. Are we heading into a recession?